it's raining in El Paso. Shocker. Incredible. So, I am at my aunt's house. But nothing really compares to, like, I'm not making any sense, am I? No. But anyway, look. It was raining a little harder earlier, but it slowed down a little bit. But look, I'll show you outside. See, it's... Hold on. I had to put my aunt's dog up because she'll run outside. Can't you hear it? Now it's only raining a little bit, but it kind of flooded the streets over there. Yeah. I could show you. Oh my God, it's raining. I could probably get you up close. The streets are, ow, to the street. Yeah. Just gotta be careful. Can't let my cousin see. But look at, the streets are flooding. Even from way over there to way over there. But I gotta go. It's getting my iPod dirty. I mean wet. That's what I meant. But anyway, I really have to go. I'll update some more videos when I can, or if I want to. So, whoa.